Before applying for my first remote data analyst job, I thought I was ready, but I was missing three crucial things that almost cost me the opportunity. Number one, I focused too much on learning every tool instead of mastering the ones that matter. Excel, SQL, Power BI, and a bit of Python. Quality beats quantity. I wish I knew how powerful a small portfolio can be. Even two well-done projects can grab a recruiter's attention more than a list of certificates. And finally, communication. Remote work isn't just about data. It's about explaining insights clearly. Practice telling the story behind the numbers. If you're starting your remote data career, learn these early, and you'll be way ahead. Subscribe for more data analyst tips. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sky Media for more amazing content about AI, technology, and the future. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.